guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video I'm going to be playing Among Us once again, but in this one we are doing like really bad settings. Like everything is going to be like maxed out one way or another. So I've already created my lobby and I'm ready to get started. So if you guys would like to see this video, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, I started my lobby and these are pretty bad settings. I put a lot of things at 0. I put 3 imposters, which 3 imposters for 10, honestly, it's not that bad, but it goes by pretty fast. Player speed is at 3. I don't think I've ever. Crewmate vision is at 0.5, so that's about to annoy the heck out of me. But imposter vision has 2.7. Kill cooldown is 10. I wish you could put kill cooldown at 0. That would be great. That'd be fun. I would actually try. It didn't work. And I only have 3 short tasks. So I kind of made it a little bit like leveled up on the crewmate part right there for the 3 short tasks, because if everybody just gets their tasks done fast, then you can still win, even though everything else is against crewmates. So now it's just a waiting game to see if you guys come through. I did let you guys know ahead of time this time. So I actually let you guys know really early, and I told you guys what time, so you guys told y'all I was gonna let y'all know ahead of time. So hopefully y'all come through. If not, I'm gonna start a whole nother lobby and wait again. I don't want to put it public. I'm kind of scared. I don't want to go like public because I feel like people are just gonna curse me out or be like really mean because these are really bad settings, and then just end up leaving anyways. All right, you guys, so you guys are not joining my lobby, and I actually let you guys know ahead of time, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's just a bad time, but I'm gonna start. We have 5, so I'm gonna start now, and I don't think it's gonna go well for any of us, truly. So let's see. Okay, I'm not imposter. Oh god, I'm out. You see what I mean about me always having download? I had it in the last video. Here we go. Does everybody always have download? Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Nobody's even going to fix reactor. Game over. Oh, somebody fixed it. Oh, okay. Okay, wait. We might have something here. We might beat the imp. We might beat the imp. Hold on. Did we do it, y'all? No. We got tasks. Y'all, look at that. Oh, GG. Game over. That was funny. All right, so somebody new joined us, and now we have 6, so we got the ball rolling finally. And I'm in. Oh, it's such a sad day when I'm in. No, it's not. I'm about to get them. I'm about to get them for real. Wait, did somebody just see me fake download? Because that was really bad. Oh shit, I should have killed them. Oh, I should have killed them. Killed. Oh, eat up. Red must have saw me. Red must have saw me. I'm gonna just go chill over here real quick. I'm gonna sabotage. Oh, never mind. I might get caught. Who reported black? Where was black at? Ooh! I voted black. Okay. Damn. I'm nervous. I don't like being imp. Making my armpits sweat. It's like I feel like if I really killed somebody or something, like it's just, I get anxious. Like what? killed somebody. Who was that, green? I don't know. Nobody's coming to fix reactor. Oh, there we are. Gee. Oh, God. I'm gonna just close random things. I like doing this sometimes. I don't think it does any, well, it doesn't do anything, but it is, I don't know what it does. Black saw me come up from over there. Oh wait, I need one more kill, right? All right, so I'm just gonna wait. I think I need one more kill. Yes, did I win? I won! I won! Yay! It's a good day when you win as imp. Yes! All right, so now I'm gonna change the settings, right? I'm gonna do imposter vision is just as low, or I'm gonna do that. I'll put kill cooldown to the highest, and I'm gonna put one long task, and I'm gonna put, I think that's it, player speed 3. That's still fine. Voting time. Somebody wants voting time. I'm gonna do 15. I need to tell White to chill out first of all. But anyway, I'm about to start anyways. White, I don't know who she is, but if you one of my followers, chill out. Take it easy. Take a chill pill. Like, there's plenty of other lobbies. I'm grateful for you joining mine, but chill out, all right? It's not that deep. Oh my God. Oh my God. What am I? I don't even know where to go, truthfully. All right, weapons. Here I go. Not catching me sabotaging comms. Which is while I'm here. Okay, Cyan. Alright. Alright. I'm still doing my tasks though, but alright. Might be all rude and shit. Alright. Bruh, are you gonna report? Oh, okay. So it's Cyan in pink. Okay. Look at her. Where's pink at? Because I know it's pink. Because they be mad sus. What are y'all doing? Oh, you guys. And I just got kicked out of the lobby. All right. I just got kicked out because my screen recording just stopped and a whole bunch of shenanigans. But this is, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Hopefully this is enough footage for you guys to be entertained. We played a couple of games. We played like 2 or 3. If you guys were playing in that game, if you guys were my followers and playing in that game, let me know what happened at the end of that game. And thank you guys for joining my lobby. It was a lot of fun. And I'm gonna play future Among Us games, of course. So stay tuned and don't leave me hanging. I'm gonna tell y'all hours ahead of time. So if you guys want to, you know, play with me, then stay tuned. But anyways, thank you guys for those of you that joined and stuff like that. And even if you weren't my follower and you came across this video, hello and thank you for joining my lobby. Yeah, if you guys want to see more Among Us videos, then comment down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!